The picture of the capital city's busiest roads that signifies the chaotic conditions out there. People breaking out the traffic rules in an abscondingly manner without having any care for the other citizens. The impatience which reflects in their behavior turns atrocious while on track. They might be feigned or disturbed, but unfortunately crosses the verge of decency on roads. One of the rag, while reminiscing his life, laments while expressing. He now prefers to use footpath while walking on the road. His brushed and maimed body shows the perfect picture of those faces that turns vigilant on setting up their seatbelts and makes the rag onto the state of rag.
पटक दिया, ये हड्डी टूट गई,
ये हड्डी टूट गया,
जयपुर गया,
ये मुड़ गया,
हाँ 2 बार ये जोड़वाए नहीं, जब तो मैं डर के चलता है दूर से.
As usual, they only recommend the public to get secured. Their inefficiency and mobility towards their duty and numbers is a major source of a debate. They only get consolidated on the areas which are being ordered, and the rest is being left to sleaze. A tribunal has passed a law regarding canals, but unfortunately it's been forbidden by the perpetrators.
मोटरसाइकिल लगा रखे हैं यहाँ से वहाँ तक हर चौक पे, ठीक है, रफ ड्राइविंग को रोकने के लिए, ठीक है ना.
There should be a stricter enforcement of those laws which are already in place, because you have speed limit and you have other traffic laws.
We used to come every day to Jamia. We are studying in Jamia, and I could see that the traffic police not there, which should be like here in Modi Mill. The traffic police should be present every since from morning. But the traffic police was not there.
It's right that we citizens should take active step on our part of the responsibility on roads, but as our cops are performing and implementing it in a right way?
Traffic police should do all these things. As students or as public, we can't do anything. We can't do anything. We can just say ki, please do something, please do something. They have to do it.
If you look at these incidents, then you'll find that there are violations. They are not, people are driving while talking over mobile phones. They are driving while they have already taken alcohol. With respect to all these things, if the enforcement authorities they enforce the law in a better way.
No one should be using mobile phones while on drive. It's the biggest fact that one should realize while putting himself before roads. If it doesn't, then such inevitability will happen.
I'm on the way, yaar. Don't worry, yaar. I'm on the way. Why you are getting very much serious? Okay, yeah. Obviously. Yaar, I'm sorry, yaar. I'm on the way. I'm saying that. I'm on the way. Just okay, bye.
It is also our responsibility too to be decent on roads. If we admit our mistakes and strictly respect the rules, such vulgarity can be stopped.